In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on Gemini Nano Banana. We'll be showing you how to access this new tool on Gemini and what it has to offer. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on Gemini, all we need to do is click Tools on the prompt box, then select Create Images. This should now show on the prompt box in blue. We can also access this on Google AI Studio by going to aistudio.google.com. Then on the sidebar on the right, you can click the model and select Nano Banana. For this video, we'll be using Gemini. Once Nano Banana is activated, we can start using the functionalities it has to offer. The most obvious one being image generation. I'm simply going to type, create an image of a dinosaur going down a water slide. As expected, it has generated a really high quality image of a dinosaur going down a water slide. We can also use the Nano Banana model to edit images. For example, I'm going to copy this image that contains a lion and paste it into Gemini. Then I'm going to type, change the lion in this photo for a giraffe. As you can see, it has come back with an almost identical image, but instead of a lion, there is a giraffe. Another example of editing images with Nano Banana, I'm going to copy this image of a man with his thumbs up and paste it into Gemini. Then I'm going to type, please can you edit this image so that the man has his thumbs down, his t-shirt is green and he is frowning. It has now come back with this, which is exactly what we have asked for. This functionality also allows us to use Nano Banana to create consistent characters. For example, I've got it to generate this character. Now I would like to make changes to this image, but keep the character the same. So I can type something like, using the same character as before, keep her facial features, hairstyle and clothing style consistent, but change her outfit to a black leather jacket with a graphic t-shirt underneath. Maintain the same semi-realistic style, soft lighting and friendly expression. As you can see, it has come back with the exact same character, but with the changes that we asked for. Here is a side-by-side comparison. That's all we have for this tutorial on Gemini Nano Banana. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.